Impi wonansi mpieza ubani benga tinja mabubesi.
The Siyaphambili series is 4 fun races with a 12-kilometer long course and a 6-kilometer short course. Starting on the 8th of July in the mild Durban winter and an easy launch at DUC, this is the ideal opportunity to bring down family and friends and get everyone involved. Every year we try to do something different to keep the races fun and exciting. This year we will have something for the category winners in each race, fantastic lucky draw prizes, in addition to 18,000 Rand cash prizes for the first double race on the 21st of July. With the Siyaphambili team improving every year, they challenge you to come down and beat them if you can. After a fun race, there's free burgers for all who take part. Now that's a great deal.
And in the morning, as they saddled up to ride, their eyes shone with the fire and the steel. The general told them of the task that lay ahead, to bring the people of the sky to heal.